Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making Instant Pot Cheesey Penne with beef. Alright guys, I'm starting out with my Instant Pot. I have it set on saute high and it's hot. I have roughly about 2 pounds of ground beef that I'm going to get in here, get this browned up. And I also have one medium onion I minced up. That's going to go in. I'm going to allow this to fry till my beef is broke up and browned up. My ends are softened up. And this isn't lean beef. I'm going to have to drain off the excess grease. And I'm going to add in some garlic. Let me grab my garlic quick. I'm using a minced garlic in a jar. I'm going to add in about 2 heaping teaspoons. You put in about 4 cloves of fresh garlic if you use fresh, minced up. And I'm also going to add in some salt and pepper. This is to taste. I'm going to go for about a teaspoon of salt and about a half teaspoon of pepper. I'm going to allow this to fry till it's all browned up. Alright, now that my ground beef and onions are all browned up and set aside, I'm going to dump a pound of penne pasta in the pressure cooker. And I'm also going to add in 4 cups of vegetable broth. You can also use chicken broth for this if you like. And I'm going to add in just a little more salt into my pasta, because I like everything well seasoned, guys. I'm going to go for about 3/4 of a teaspoon. I'm going to stir that in there. And my pasta will absorb up that broth as it pressure cooks. I'm going to put my lid on here. Make sure I'm set on seal. I'm going to set this to pressure cook for 12 minutes. After my pressure is done pressure cooking, I'll do a quick release of the pressure and bring it back. Okay, now that my time's up and I did that quick release, you can see how my pasta drank up all that vegetable broth. I'm going to add in a little bit of milk, about a half a cup. I might add more and we're going to see how this looks. I'm going to give this a stir. Now I'm going to add in my cheese. I have some mild shredded cheddar cheese here. I'm going to add some of this in. Give that a stir. And what that milk is just going to make a nice cheesy creamy sauce in there, guys. This is a 2-cup pack. I'm going to go ahead and add all 2 cups in there. Give that a stir. You just want to mix it around well so your cheese doesn't clump up in one big ball. Well, we're looking good so far, guys. Alright, now I have some shredded Parmesan cheese. I'm going to add in about a half a cup. Go a little more. Give that a stir to mix that in. And I think I'm going to add in just a little more milk, guys. So we have roughly about close to a cup of milk in there. And I just have my pressure cooker set on the warm setting. Okay, now I'm going to add in about a teaspoon of Italian seasoning. And I'm going to get my ground beef and onions back in there. And what I did is I took a styrofoam plate and put a piece of foil over it to cut down on dishes. Give this a good stir to get everything incorporated. Guys, this is looking really good. And it's smelling even better. Alright guys, this is ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. Alright guys, let me get in here and give this a try. Start with some of this rotini. It's really good. Taste that garlic coming through, the cheeses. Get some beef in there. It's really good, guys. Pasta's nice and tender. Now, if you like your pasta a little more al dente, only pressure cooker for 10 minutes. That's really good and it was really easy, guys. Alright, there you have it. Instant Pot cheesy rotini and beef. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see ya.